Sophie. Hi, Sophie. Hi. Hi. Hi, Sophie. Say hi. Oh, hi. Can you talk to me? Really? Can you talk to me like you just were? Can you talk some more? That's cute. You're very cute. You're very cute. Can you say hi? Sophie. Say hi, Sophie. Say hi. Can you say hi? Yeah. Can you say hi? Very good. Very good. Yeah. You're wearing some of Lily's pants when she was a baby, right? Yeah. Say hello. Do you want to get up? Do you want to get up? Okay, come on. I'll get you up.